Did you feel unproductive while studying, or at the end of the day, you just pass a lot of time on studying but still did get anything? Well, you actually misunderstood the meaning of productive, because being productive is not about time. It's about how you're gonna do that, and and also depends on your skills. So let's go. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to study effectively and productively, and how you actually misunderstood what is the meaning of productive. Because I'm gonna explain to you that being productive is not actually about time. It's about how you're gonna organize your time, and how actually that's gonna help you mentally and health. First thing, plan your day. Before actually going to sleep, you have to kind of put a little schedule, but at the same time, don't force yourself a lot. For example, you say, tomorrow it's gonna be a productive day, so I'm gonna like kind of study these topics and review these materials, but you just put so much time in each thing. If you put about like 30 minutes in each material, but at the end of the day you didn't get exhausted at all, or lazy or tired, because actually you just pass a little time and you still get the most important things in each material or in each topic. So planning things and setting time that logically is like is possible. Do not put 2 hours in your schedule to just review one material, because you're wasting your time and you're actually putting information inside your head that you don't actually need. They're kind of like knowing, yeah, but not actually learning. Number two, have a good sleep. Sleeping is really important. Why? Because there's the time where your brain actually recovers for all the damage to the day. Um, and having a good sleep will help you tomorrow to like kind of boost your mood, because not having good sleep, you're gonna be tired all the day, and having that plan of being productive will actually it's gonna be like you're gonna be more lazy to do it, and you will not have actually the motivation to go on through your schedule and like kind of like respect these steps. So getting good sleep is really important. Three, don't try to remember everything. Yes, for example, you didn't set a schedule for you to actually maintain and revise all the materials or study, but you're just doing all things at the same time, and you're not gonna actually focus because you're so frustrated, stressed out, because you have to do all these things. But if you have set a certain amount of time on each topic, on each subject, you're actually gonna more understand more important facts, or just like stressing out with a whole bunch of work to do. For example, you're just gonna set out 1 hour for like a really important subject that you actually didn't understand, or you didn't get anything at all, and spend less time on things that you already know that you're just gonna improve yourself in. So in that way, I feel you're gonna be more motivated to continue. So, and at the end of the day, I guess you actually gonna be satisfied. Number four, take naps or break during your study schedule. For example, you study about 1 hour and a half on a certain topic or a certain subject, and you're actually pretty much tired, but in your head, you say, I'm gonna get this done really quickly. But when you've done all those topics that still remaining, you actually didn't like kind of focus on it, because you're so tired and you just want to finish really really quickly, and you didn't give time to each topic. So taking a nap about even 1 hour doesn't matter, since your brain's gonna recover, and your like focus is gonna be like more productive than usually. Like I said, productivity is not about time. It's about how did you manage to do that. It's not about 5 hours, 10 hours studying, not at all. So my personal tip for you is actually doing that, maintain the same schedule for every day. For example, for a week, or for, it depends on how you want to maintain this schedule on your time. So for example, I'm gonna recommend you a personal tip. Study for 2 hours a day. Study. What I mean by study, focus on studying, because 2 hours is nothing compared to 5 hours non-stop, and you just feel so tired and don't want to do it anymore, and this next day you just don't want to do it because you just got really lazy and you don't have no motivation. Even you want to study and get good grades, actually have no mood to do that. So I recommend you to study just 2 days, 2 hours a day, and then you're gonna take a break. If you have project or assignment that day, you just gonna give it for 4 hours. But you have to take breaks, of course. For example, you have assignment or project, you have to finish it that day. Why? Because the deadline maybe feel far, that you don't know what's in the future. It may be like a test surprise or a quiz from any teacher of yours, and you're gonna be so frustrated because you've done anything, just was wasting your time on those days that you actually had time and you actually had the motivation to do so, but you did. Like I said, productivity is not about, it's about. I really hope that this video actually did clear your mind about being productive, and please don't force yourself at the beginning, just go on layer by layer, and maintaining the schedule every day will help you really with getting along with your studies. Thank you a lot for watching this video, and see you next time.